Do I know you?
Sit down.
It's Kelly Pickler here, and I'm taking over the command post.
Join American Idol's Kelly Pickler as she visits our hardworking troops in Iraq.
I'm just a small town girl.
Where a goodwill and entertainment trip turns into the learning experience of a lifetime.
Don't even have an appreciation for life until you come to see what you guys are doing for it.
Kelly Pickler, My USO Diary. Special encore, 12 noon, AFN Prime Sunday.
David, just got a phone call. The death ray on Evil Ship number 1 is non-operational.
The ambassadors
Is it? But do not discuss essential elements of friendly information outside of there. Okay? Okay?